How to get 40% off Temu coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Temu coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Temu. Once you're on this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. You can see that 90% off, 80% off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on Redeem at Temu. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and pass it to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Temu. To grab any of the offer, you have to apply same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're gonna find tons of amazing offers and deals for Temu. So this way you can easily get up to 40% off Temu working coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.